Alright, good morning everyone. Today we're going to do a simple drawing of an Imperial Stormtrooper, and today we'll just draw his head. So let's go start at the top right here, and from here go over and down, and do the same on the other side. Continue that line over and down. Okay. From here, we're going to go down a little bit, angle it out just a touch, and from here, angle it out a little bit. And right about there, let's draw a line straight across. So from here, straight across, and a line just below that, and let's just color that in. Like so. Okay. So from here, put a space between the eyes a bit. Let's just go ahead and mark those. And then right here would be the eyes. So from here, draw a line that goes down, angled, go down a bit, angle it out, and then from here we'll go up and back to that line. Here, angle it out and back to that dot right there. Okay, let's draw a line just on the inside of that outer line to show a little bit of thickness, and then we can go ahead and darken this. So let's just blacken this with a marker and do the same on the other side. Okay, next we'll draw a curved line right here, and that's gonna come out slight curve, and then go down about twice this distance, so right about here. We'll curve it out, curve it out, and then right underneath, go towards the middle and out to taper to meet the other line. Okay, and then draw a couple lines here in the middle, inside, like that. Okay, now here we're going to draw an upside down U shape, upside down U shape, come out, and then make a curve. Same with the other side. Out, curve, curve it in. And this is where I think this is where he breathes through. Alright, just on the inside of this curve, draw a straight line down and down. Okay, and this will meet with this line. Let's meet those two together. Okay, now we'll draw a line just inside here, another curved line, and up here, curved line, and up. And just on the inside then we'll draw a small circle, and we can blacken this part as well. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to come out a bit for his helmet. So let's draw a curve, and on the other side a curve, and then draw a line that goes in. Straight line. Okay. So then from here, we're gonna draw a curve in, starting just inside of this line right there at the dot, in and underneath this intake. So curve, start coming in towards the middle, and we'll do the same on the other sides. In towards the middle, and let me make this line a little thicker to hide that other line there. Okay, let's continue this line to the middle, and then here we'll draw a curved line that touches both of those, so just like that. And then in the middle, let's draw a line right in the middle there, and a couple more parallel lines straight up and down. Okay, now here let's draw another line straight down, same with here, straight down just past the curve, and then we'll go from here down to just about where the corner of the mouth goes there, and we'll do the same on the other side, from there to the corner of the mouth, not quite touching the mouth. Alright, from here we're going to draw a curved line that's more or less parallel to that, but we're going to end up touching this right here. So curved line to touch that here, curved line to touch that line. Alright, that gives this area a nice shape because it's kind of like a tube. So now there are these holes, and again we're going to follow this curve here. So starting right here, draw a line, and then next to it another line, and if you can, try to make them start getting a little closer to each other as you go farther back. And we'll do the same here. Line, another line, another line, and just do that, and getting a little bit closer to each other. Alright, so now he's got another opening right here, so it's almost parallel to this outer part of his eye. Let's draw a line that goes down a bit, and then straight down. Same here, parallel to this line, down, and then connect those two, and we'll blacken those. And do the same on the other side. So from here, let's look at the other side, kind of make them about the same. So from here, go down, line there, and then connect the two lines. Alright, so when you're looking at something straight on, they should be more or less symmetrical from the left side to the right side, so always kind of look from one side to the other. It's not going to be perfect, but that's okay. Alright, out here, let's just draw a line that comes out a bit. I'm not sure what this part is, what the purpose is for this helmet. And then up here, we'll continue this line up and then back. Line up and back. Alright, now let's draw his neck opening here. So from here to here, we'll just draw a curve, back, and this will be also darkened, so let's just go ahead and blacken that out. Okay. Just so it doesn't look like the head's just floating, let's just draw an indication of his shoulder. So from here, just draw straight out. And from here, draw straight out. And there you go. That's a Stormtrooper head in its most basic form. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.